how to turn on or turn off Narrator on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Narrator on your Windows PC. So first thing we do is we go to the start icon right here down below, click on it, and then go to settings, the settings option, and after that go to ease of access. Click on ease of access and then choose the Narrator option right here in the right, and you can enable it or disable it just from here as you want.
Exiting Narrator.
And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.